Welcome to Sam's Garage. Well, today we're working on a 2001 Oldsmobile Aurora. This is a beautiful car. It's 17 years old. It's got less than 100,000 miles on it. Loaded, and as you can see, I put my hand on the engine. Can't even feel it run. We service this car on a regular basis. Now what we've been doing here is chasing a coolant leak. On the message center, about every 2 weeks, low coolant light comes on. We actually put a new recovery tank in it. It had a small leak, and the sensor is in the tank. And you can't buy the sensor separately. We've topped it up. It went another couple weeks. Again, low coolant lights on. I've been checking it over with pressure testers and everything else. I see no signs of external leak. So I think what we've got is the start of a head gasket, which these 4-liter Aurora motors are known for, especially the 2001s. So, what are we talking about here? We're talking about a lot of money to take this engine apart and maybe not find something. Here's the cure. Got the engine running, I've got it up to temperature, started with the pressure cap off. Remember, do never remove a pressure cap off a hot system. You can get scalded, have some serious injuries. If you start the engine up with the cap off, when it comes up to temperature, thermostat opens, the water's flowing through the bottle, the coolant is, and you can feel it getting warm. It's a great time to add K-Seal. This is an awesome product. It's called Coolant Leak Repair. It's not hard to use. Pour and go. You shake it up, and once you've shaken it good, if there's no coolant in there, mix this with a little coolant. We've got some coolant in there, and I'll go ahead and I'll pour some of our K-Seal. I'm going to put the whole bottle right in here. Try to be a little neater than I am. But that's all there is to it. Now, it's a ceramic-based technology. It's not going to plug up small radiator cords or heater cords or any of that other stuff like a lot of the competitors that are silicate-based. And then the good news is that's all you do. Top up the coolant. Make sure you're not overfull, you're at the level. Put your pressure cap on. And by the way, we've also, when we install the new pressure tank, we put a new cap on it. That's all there is to it. You drive it. The good news is it'll seal up the leak, stays in the system, it'll seal up future leaks. It's an awesome product that saves you a lot of time and money. And for you heavy-duty guys, they have the heavy-duty K-Seal. So one step, seal up your cooling system, and you have no worries. It's available at good auto parts stores everywhere.